Hi guys, what's going on tonight? This is Brett, and I wanted to show you a quick update on putting a picture on your WordPress blog. So go to your page where you log into your back office for your WordPress and go ahead and log in. And I'm going to show you real simple. This is the simplest way that I know to show you on putting a picture on your blog. So you'll see in your back office here, this just happens to be my nephew's. I'm doing some work on his website for him. What I do is I go to the domain up here, which is his, and you click on that and that'll actually show you and it'll show you your website. You'll see these options up here, which if you've been in your back office you're aware of. I go to add new, I go to post, and then let's just name this new picture, a little hunting peck here, spelled that right. Okay, here's a little deal. If you haven't done this before, your cursor is where your picture is going to go. So if you want it on the left, that's fine. You can come up here and change the justification, which I'll show you. That's the center, and over there is the right. I'm just going to do this in the center for right now, but I'm just going to write this so you can see what it looks like with type. I can even write. Hi, how are you is what I'm trying to say here with my little fat fingers. Okay. And then we're just going to keep the cursor right there in the center. These little icons up here are where you want to look. This one is for image, which we'll get back to. This one's to add video, and I'll show you in another video how to do that. And this is music or audio, and then this is add media. Don't worry about that right now. I'll show you that in another video as well. So let's go to image, and then just put your picture on your computer or a file or a disk or a flash drive, wherever you can find it, and we'll just do it from computer. If you do it from URL, I'll show you what that looks like, but that's just if you have a online web, like Flickr, Picasa, or Photo Bucket. This is where you would do that. When you start bringing in pictures to your website, to your WordPress blog, they're going to be stored in the media gallery. So that's kind of like your storage for all your media. So let's just do it real simple from computer. You select files, and then I am just going to grab one of his, and this is just in one of the folders I have for him. So however you organize yours, that's where it'll be. I'll grab that one. I just double clicked on it to open it up, and you gotta love the 4G, how that just screamed across there. It's pretty exciting for me. Anyway, this will get done and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, you can see your picture here. Okay, I didn't name all these pictures, but this is what it comes in as. Important, you can see the asterisk. If you don't label this, it's going to say this, so you can label it however you want, just for your purposes. Put a keyword in there, write a title about what your blog post is, that type of thing. Same down here. What I want you to pay attention to for right now, and the center, the non-center, left, right. I just put it on center because that's where I want it. And if you want it to the left, it'll, you can see how it wraps around the text here. Those are some of the attributes that it'll pick up when you dump it into your WordPress blog. I'm going to keep it on medium, just so you can see. You can change this. You can come back into the picture and change this at a later date, and just insert in the post just like this. And as you can see, it's right here. Okay, this is just a raw layout, and that'll put it right into your post. We'll hit publish, and that will actually make it live. Make sure everything's good. Hit view post. Okay, now here's the deal. If you put it over to the left or to the right or in the middle, you can see if you have a sidebar, you're going to start squeezing your picture. If you have a really large picture in there, it's going to make it do some really funny things if you have a lot of text. So that's why I wanted to point that out earlier. But as you can see, there is the picture, and I'll just click right on his blog so you can see what it looks like. Here, this is all of some of his posts, but that is pretty it. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you later. Look out for some more videos.